I need to do it.
You gotta do what they told you.
Put a cam in it.
Where's my step bit?
Goes up your ass, you know.
You're probably right.
What are you drilling and why?
I'm making an oil drain for the turbo.
Is that a hole?
You know Taco Bell selling fries now? Wish you didn't know that. Oh, I thought
He said he don't.
I stripped it out. I did something.
You finally broke the impact?
Put a cam in it.
On a turbo? God damn. I don't think it's going nowhere.
Would it be better to come up through that bar?
Yeah, what?
I'll come up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying right here. Where it needs to come from. I don't know why you're trying to come in from the other way. Hold on there, fucking Jimmy. Goddamn fucking gets a turbo and he wants to put everything on a million times fucking an hour.
Now
You
we're gonna
think
have
you're doing
to.
the only job right there?
Yep.
We're gonna have to
You're
turn that
not, because
around.
this is on the outside of the truck now.
Put a cam in it.
Why?
That's gotta be turned around.
Alright, well.
No. Bend it in. Push it in. Do it in. Okay.
I mean that
Are you good?
the piece Bane's holding on to's gotta be turned.
Yeah.
You good?
Almost.
I'm good. I'm good, you're good.
I'm good.
TJ.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying?
No, that's pretty damn close. Okay, here. You can let go of that.
I'd hook that one up first.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Ready?
You pick up on the thing. Okay. Now, push in.
Towards you?
Yep. Okay, now hold it right there. You already fucked up.
What are you doing, Easton?
What? Can you not adjust your pants?
No, not like that. The air will push out of there and suck back in. It'll be awesome. It's Bluetooth.
You won't make that bitch stick straight up. Hook up a transmission cord, TJ.
No, bitch.
Yay. Yay.
I'm about to go lay on my couch.
What you doing, Tage?
Running an oil feed.
For the Terpsky.
Fuck her out.
Excuse me.